Hi guys, welcome to my new After Effects video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to make this animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So vectors from freepik.com, I will add download link and project files. First step, let's select this layer, go to solo and move the anchor point here with palm behind icon. Let's select palm behind icon and move to here and click selection tool. Let's press S and change scale 0, make scale keyframe and go to 10 keyframe. For shortcut you can use hold shift press page down in the keyboard and change scale 100. Select keyframes, make ease. Let's see. Okay, let's select yellow and hold shift press R, open rotation and make rotation keyframe. Move to left and go to here, change rotation like this. Let's right here 22 and go to here, change minus 12, or let's change like this, minus 35 and go to 10 keyframe, change 25 plus, or let's change 10. Okay, go to 10 keyframe again, change like this. Okay, go to 10 keyframe again, change rotation like this. Again go to 10 keyframe, change like this. Let's change 0. Select keyframes, make ease and let's unsolo. Let's see. Okay, and let's select last keyframe, delete. Okay, good. Let's change this minus 5 and go to 10 keyframe, change like this. Okay, go to 10 keyframe again, change like this. There's more keyframes for smooth and bounce animation. Let's see. Okay, that's good. So go to first second, go to here and select this blue layer and go to solo. Let's select this palm behind, move to up, click selection tool and unsolo. Let's go to here and pair onto this yellow. Let's see. Okay, that's good. Let's go to last keyframe and select this blue dog, press R, change rotation like this and press and click palm behind, move to here. Okay, let's say again. Nice. So in this time select this blue layer, go to here and press and make rotation keyframe, change rotation like this. Let's change 10. Go to here, let's change this like this and go to here, change rotation again and go to here again, change and here and here. Okay, let's select keyframes, make ease. Let's see. Okay, that's good. So select this dock rag, go to solo and select palm behind, move to up, click selection tool and unsolo. Let's see. Okay, and let's select these yellow rotation keyframes, Ctrl C and select this dock rag, press R and select this rotation, Ctrl V. Let's see. Okay, let's select keyframes, move to right. Nice. And let's hold shift press S, go to here, make scale keyframe, go to first second, change 0. Select keyframes, make ease. Let's see. Okay, not bad. Okay, in this time, let's select these stars and right mouse, precoms, add name stars, click OK, and let's hide composition. So select this Q2 and go to here. Let's press S, make scale keyframe, change 0, go to 10 keyframe, change 110 or 120, go to 10 keyframe again, change 95, go to 10 keyframe, change 100. Select keyframes, make ease. Let's see. Okay, and let's select this Q1, pair onto this Q2, and select Q1, select palm behind, move the anchor point here, click selection tool, let's see. Go to here, press R, make rotation keyframe. Let's change this rotation minus 10, let's see. Let's change minus 30. Okay, go to here, change 15. Let's change like this. Go to here, change like this, and go to here, change like this. Select keyframes, make ease. Let's see. Okay, let's select last keyframe and delete. Let's see. Okay, select keyframes, hold Alt, move to right. Let's see. Okay, that's good. So select this star main and pink circle and blue. Let's see. Right mouse, precoms, and add name pink star. Click OK. Let's make a little animation for these layers. Let's go to Window, Animation Composite 3. Open Starter Preset. Open here. Let's use Overshot Scale. Select this blue, go to Solo. And select palm behind, move to down. Click Selection Tool, unsolo. And select these layers. Let's click in. Okay. Let's move to right. Let's see. Okay, select this pink. Let's move the anchor point center. Click selection tool. Let's see. Okay, let's move to right this tier in for slow animation. Okay, let's move to right this blue. Okay, that's good. So let's close here. And let's see. Nice. Select this pin star. Let's move to up. Nice. And let's link to blue dog. Nice. Let's move to right. Okay, let's move to here. Okay, not bad. So select this pen layer and go to solo. Move the anchor point down. Click selection tool and unsolo. Okay. Let's select this text. Join us. Let's delete. And select this pen. Let's move to here. Move to up. And let's use overshot scale. Close window, move to right. Let's see. Okay, let's link to blue dog. Okay, and in this time press P, make new patching keyframe. Go to here. Let's move to right. Go to again 5 keyframes. Move to here. Go to here. Okay. This is random writing animation. Select keyframes. Let's make easies. Let's see. Okay, select keyframes and move to left. Okay, select keyframes, Ctrl C and go to last keyframe, Ctrl V. Let's see. Okay, good. And in this time, hold shift press R, make rotation keyframe, and go to here. Let's change rotation like this. Go to 5 keyframes, make random rotation animation. Okay, select keyframes, make ease, and Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Let's see. Okay, that's good. So thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.